Welcome to Infinitude. This is the Vue Fundamental Series Part 3, in which I will dive into components. Let's get started. Components are a way to write modular, reusable codes which allows us to build Vue applications. When we create a component, each component contains a template tag with the HTML file, script tag containing the JavaScript code which interacts with HTML, and style tag for the CSS. Components are a block of code. Let's see an example how the components can be broken down. In here few examples, components are broken down into headers, navigation, main content, sidebar, footer, blogs, and more. Now let's go to the project and start creating components. First, I will delete all components which we will not need and start from scratch. And I will go to the main.js and delete the import. We will create a new component and we will define a new component with Pascal case. Let's give the component a name app, and then we will add the Vue extension, that is .vue. At first, component has three parts: template, script, and style. At first, let's add the template tag with a root deep tag. Let's add a script style tag. Let's go to the template and add a p tag, and I will add hello from app, and I will give this component a name app, and then we will register this app.vue component in main.js. Let's go to the main.js. At first I will import the app component, and then I will use this app. Here it is registered. Now let's open the terminal inside the VS Code by pressing Ctrl tilde and run our server by typing npm run serve. If you are using yarn, then you can type yarn serve. Our server has run. Let's copy this link, go to the browser and copy paste hello from app. Our app is working. Now let's create another component and give the name HelloInfinitude. I will use the Pascal case and extension.vue. Now, before typing into any tags, I would like to introduce you to Vue Snippets, which makes very easy to type codes. It focuses on developers' ergonomics from the point of view of real world. For VS Code Snippets, I have provided a link in the description, or in VS Code, let's go to extension and then search for Vue Snippets. Let's choose the extension provided by Sarah Drasner and install. Now let's go to the HelloInfinitude.vue file, type vbase and enter. It will create a template for us from which we can start. Let's give the name of component HelloInfinitude, and in template I will add a p tag hello message from Infinitude. And now let's register this HelloInfinitude component inside the app.vue. At first we have to import the component. That let's type import then HelloInfinitude, from, let's go to component and then Infinitude. We don't have to type extensions over here. Now let's register this Hello Infinitude. There is a red underline inside the Hello Infinitude. Let's take that out. Infinitude is defined but never used. Let's register this by typing components. Then use the component name as custom tag inside the template. Now let's go to the browser. Here we can see the message from Hello Infinitude component. Hello from Infinitude. Let's right click on the browser and go to inspect. Since we have installed the Vue developers tool in the first part, let's go to the view. Here we can see how our components are nested. We have app component and then we have registered the Hello Infinitude component inside the app. Let's get back to the VS Code. We can send properties from one component to another component, that is parent-child relationship. Let's send the properties with name. I will send at first Infinitude. Now we will accept this property name inside the Hello Infinitude component. Let's go to Hello Infinitude component and we will accept those properties using props, and we will give that name a type, that is string, and let's display this property called name. Vue uses double braces as a placeholder for data. Now let's go to the browser and see what happened. We can see the message is as same as previous, in which we are accepting the props from the app component. Let's go back to the VS Code and go to app.vue. We can send different properties using the same component, or we can reuse the Hello Infinitude component. Let's copy the line custom tag, that is Hello Infinitude, or you can use the shortcut and directly copy paste that using Alt Shift and down arrow. Now we will pass the different parameters in this component, that is Vue Fundamental Series. Now let's check this in the browser. It has been rendered and it is showing the hello from Vue Fundamentals Series. By this way we can reuse the same component multiple times. Now let's go to the Vue Developers tool and see what's happening. Let's go to app and then I will choose the first Hello Infinitude component. Here we can see we are getting the props named Infinitude, and in the second one we are getting the props named Vue Fundamental Series. In the next video we will talk about the data types and data binding in Vue.js. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video, comment down below and hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification.